Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, a Killer Sudoku, in the puzzle page of Sunday, January the 4th, January the 5th, 2025. We have here six extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve this evening. One of them I've already solved, the 4-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. One of these binaries, I believe this one with 4 stars I will do. And the Killer Sudoku. Yeah. 3 puzzles are left. One is already solved, the 4-star Sudoku. And it's time now for the Killer Sudoku. Yeah. The Killer Sudoku number 9843. We have here two given numbers. The 2 in this triple box of 14. That means those two boxes together should be 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. We have a given number 5 in this triple box of 16. That means that those two boxes together should be 11. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. Alright, for Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku in the additional, this will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. So these two big squares has 1 sharing box. If what you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright? So 10 plus 10 is 20. 5 plus 15 is 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. This box should be a 5. In the box of 12, the combination will be 5 plus 7. Okay, now, so this big square, 17 plus 7 is 24. 24 plus 9 is equal to 33. 33 plus 9 is 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. In the box of 5, the combination will be 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes. Do we have columns with 1 sharing box? No. Rows? No. Well, okay. I'm looking for boxes with 1 combination. For example, the box of 17. 1 combination, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. The box of 4, only 1 combination, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. The box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. The box of 4, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. And that's all. Yeah, that's all. Well, this one. 2. Okay. Let me see. In this column, we need a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there, here or there. Well, I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. So the 5 should be here then. In the box of 8, the combination will be 5 plus 3. I have here 3 plus 1. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 1. That box should be a 3. A 2 and a 1. We have a 1 here, so this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 1. Okay, let me check. Here we have 2 sharing boxes. This one has also 2. This one has 1. Okay, this one has also 1. This one has 1, 2, 3. Okay, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number these two together, so I know what number that will be. This one, yeah, okay. 18 plus 2 is 20, plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. So 45 minus 35 is 10. These two boxes together should be 10. That means in this triple box of 18, that box should be an 8 then. 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. Now this big square has now 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay. 16 plus 4 is 20, plus 8 is 28, plus 11. 28 plus 11 is 39. 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. This box should be a 6. In the box of 15, combination will be 6 plus 9. Now this big square has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 1 plus 9 is 10. Okay. 15 plus 7 is 22. 22 plus 11 is 33. 33 plus 10 is 43. 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. This box should be a 2. In the box of 11, combination will be 2 plus 9. Okay. Now this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number these two boxes together. 7 plus 3 is 10. 13 plus 7 is 20. Plus 10 is 30. 30, that means 45 minus 30 is 15. These two boxes together should be 15. In this triple box of 20, that means that box should be a 5. 5 plus 15 is equal to 20. Now this big square has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay, 14 plus 10 is 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. 32 plus 5 is 37. So 45 minus 37 is an 8. This box will be an 8. In the box of 14, combination will be 8 plus 6. Okay. 2. This is complete. Okay. Let me see. In this column, we have 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 10 plus 12 is 22. 22. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 33 plus 10 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. This box should be a 2. In the box of 7, combination will be 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, there are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 7 plus 8 and 9 plus 6. Well, the 7 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 7 and 8 there. So it should be the 9 and the 6. 9 and the 6. Okay. Now this column, we have 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 6 plus 5 is 11. Here another 11, so 22. 22. Here 5 plus 17 is also 22. So double 22 is 44. So 45 minus 44 is a 1. This box will be a 1. In the box of 10, combination will be 1 plus 9. Okay. Then, let me see. 8. Well, we have an 8 in this column. 8 in one of those two boxes in that column, so the column between. The only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. I cannot place the 8 here because these two boxes together should be 10. 8 plus 2, and the 2 is already used. And we've already an 8 in this triple box. So the 8 should be definitely here. That means in this triple box of 18, these two boxes together should be a 10 or so. Okay. In this box of 5, there are two combinations for the box of 5. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here or there because we have a 3 here in this column. So the option for 2 plus 3 is not possible. So it should be 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, 2 missing numbers now in this row. The 1, the 2 is missing. No, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. Well, I cannot place the 7 here in the box of 40. Otherwise, the combination will be double 7. Double 7 is not allowed. So the 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. In the box of 14, combination will be 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. These two boxes together should be 10. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Plus 8 is equal to 18. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. Let me mark those. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and the 7 are left. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing. 2 and 9. 2 and 9, okay. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. So 1 is left in this row. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 4 is equal to 13. Okay, and now 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left, 2 should be here or there. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 15, of course, so the 2 should be here. In the box of 5, combination with 2 plus 3. Okay. And now, need a 5 here. 5 and a 6, okay. 2 and the 9 are left. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. We have 2 combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6 or 8 plus 7. The 9 is already used in this first row, so I cannot place the 9 and the 6. So it should be 8 and 7. 8 and 7. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the first row. So this box can be 7 or more. That box should be 7 and this box should be a 4. 2 missing numbers now in the first row for numbers 1 is missing. How can I place the 1 in the box of 11? So the 1 should be here. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. In the box of 10, combination will be 1 plus 9. In the box of 11, the combination will be 6 plus 5. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. So we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. In the box of 10, combination will be 4 plus 6. In the box of 15, combination will be 7 plus 8. Okay, 1 and 8. We have 8 now in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 9 in the 6, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers, the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. 3 plus 9, yeah, equal to 12. Plus 2 is equal to 14. 3 and a 9. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 7. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3, 4 is missing. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Okay, 6, 7, 8. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left of the 6 should be here. So the other two should be just 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Okay, 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be in the 4 goes there. In the box of 9, the combination will be 2 plus 7. In the box of 9, here the combination will be 4 plus 5. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, 1 and a 6. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be in the 6 goes there. 6 and a 4, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then, let me see. Need a 4 here. 3 and 9. What the 5? 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, now only 2 places left for 5. Goes in the box of 9, combination 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Then, let me see. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left of 2 goes in the box of 10, combination 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 9 and 3, we have 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final, no, not final, 2 numbers. 2 numbers missing here in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 6 and a 4. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 8 and a 7, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there, finish in 17 minutes. Well, told you I need 20 to 30 minutes for 3 stars. Well, turns out it's a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the jigsaw, Sudoku, and the binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.